The arms. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and the middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch is not counted into a number of stitches. Remove the magic ring from the middle finger. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops and hook now. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops and hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Remember to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. There are 6 V shapes on the side. Pull the yarn tail tight to close a ring. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops and hook now. Then pull the first loop and the hook through the return loop and the hook. That's 1 slip stitch. The slip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into a number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop and hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Continue to work 5 more increases. Work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The slip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. The chain stitch and the slip stitch are not counted into the number of stitches. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the slip stitch of last round. Mark the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Keep working 5 more sets. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. 6 sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done.